the ultimate gift guide for him and her for under £25. Hello everyone, welcome to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. Got my sidekick with me today. You joining us today, Ted? Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time Look Fantastic has a new video. Super exciting video for you guys today. We have the ultimate gift guide for him and her, and all of the gifts today are all under £25. Of course, they're all from Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic have some absolutely fabulous gift sets in this year. Also some amazing stocking fillers, so if you haven't had a look, definitely have a browse because there really is something for everyone. So let's start with the ladies. Always, let's start with the ladies. Right, the first gift I'm going to show you is my favourite. We're starting with the best today, and I picked up this S-Bar gift set. Now, before I even tell you what's inside, I just think this looks so gorgeous and festive. S-Bar is such, oh my god, just such a luxurious brand. I can just hear Teddy chewing on the Christmas tree in the background. That's a lovely background noise, thank you. And guys, look how this opens. I just think it's so bougie. I absolutely love it. And inside you actually have 4 different mists. They all have different scents, all have different purposes, and this is just an absolute essential for a lovely pamper evening. I think the packaging just makes it such a beautiful gift as well. So the 4 different mists in this set, we have the soothing mist, the energizing mist, the positivity mist, and the restorative mist. Love the packaging. The mists are brilliant. I have a large soothing mist which I spray around the room just before I go to bed, and it's just so relaxing. It will make your entire room smell like a spa. Okay, the next gift for her is we have this Sanctuary Spa slumber box. I love this so much. I love the packaging. I love that it's a little cloud, and again, perfect for pamper evenings. I just feel like anything like peaceful and relaxing is fabulous for like the period in between Christmas and New Year, where you use all your new pamper bits. New year, new you, like you relax and prepare for the new year. So this is beautifully packaged, which I think just adds to the gift in general. And inside we have a de-stress warming body balm. Oh my god, this smells amazing just opening it. We also have as well a sleep mist. Love any kind of like sleep mist or pillow spray. And then we also have as well a de-stress bath salts. Next we have a molten brown cracker. Guys, I love molten brown. I think it's, oh my god, it's so lovely. If you want to add a little bit of luxury to your shower every single morning, get some molten brown shower gel. It's truly just so luxurious, guys, honestly. Like, it's so perfumed, you'll be able to smell it on your body all day, and it's just so like foamy and just gorgeous. So this cracker, I love, again, the packaging. I love things that are like beautifully packaged because I think it adds so much more to the gift, especially something like this, a little festive cracker. And inside you get 4 mini shower gels, and the scents you get are orange and bergamot. Bergamot, I never know how to say that. Orange and bergamot. Feel free to correct me. We also have rhubarb and rose. I have a big one of those upstairs. Favourite. Oh my goodness, it smells divine. We also have the Recharge black pepper and also fiery pink pepper. They all smell amazing. My boyfriend actually had a fabulous idea for like the minis as well. He said you could pop a voucher in there so they could kind of like try out the minis and then use the voucher to buy the full size product. Next we have the So Eco luxury bath set. I love anything to do with baths. Inside of the bath set you will receive a exfoliating back strap, brilliant for getting off fake tan. This could be used as part of like the big pamper nights, like we're talking like New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve pamper nights. I don't know about you guys, but on Christmas Eve I always like to just have a big pamper ready for the big day, wash my hair, face mask on, lovely bath, scrub off all my fake tan, ready to put a new layer on. So yeah, you get an exfoliating back strap, exfoliating gloves, a gentle facial buffer and a body buffer. This is brilliant because it's not necessarily products, it's more of like your tools, your bath tools, which I think makes it a little bit more different. And last but definitely not least for her, we have the NARS mini gift set, and inside of here you will receive a mini bronzer. I love this bronzer, it's so good. And also this lipstick as well. I think this would make a really gorgeous stocking filler. So maybe for someone who has been wanting to try out some NARS products for a while, I always feel like little minis are a great way to see, you know, how you get on with the products without buying the big one. And I just think minis are great. They're a great way to try new brands. Okay, moving on to the pesky males in our life who are ridiculously hard to buy for. When I was speaking to Jamie about like what he actually wants for Christmas, all he actually wanted was some new boxes and some nice skincare bits and some like new products that he wouldn't usually buy. Men love to pamper, guys, they really do, and I think it's nice for men to have a little bit of like luxury in their life sometimes. Now, I don't know about your boyfriend, but Jamie uses shower gel to wash his hair, which really bothers me. So I picked up the Hawkins and Brimble grooming set. I love the tin this comes in. It just looks so cool. This would also be great for a stocking filler because like in the stocking it would take up a lot of room. And inside of this set you actually get a matte styling clay and also a revitalizing shampoo. Jamie needs this in his life. There are so many guys that use their shower gel on their hair, so I think some nice shampoo is such a lovely kind of like different gift. And yeah, I love the tin this comes in. I think it's a great idea. And also Look Fantastic have got loads of gifts for guys, so if you are struggling this year, definitely have a browse. All of the links for everything will of course be left down below. Okay, same but different. I also got one of these for the men in our lives. Jamie adores Molten Brown. He actually stole mine once and he's never gone back. He just loves it so much. He said one of his only luxuries in his day is having a shower. So, you know, take from that what you will. He likes to make it a little bit more luxury. So this Molten Brown cracker is more woody and aromatic scents, which I think is more for guys. And inside of this cracker, again, you get 4 Molten Brown minis. I did have 3 up there. I had to quickly change it to 4, hoping that you didn't see, but you definitely probably did. So the scents you get in here are Russian Leather, Coastal, Cypress and Sea Fennel. I feel like I said cypress wrong. I think someone needs to buy me a dictionary for Christmas. I have the Recharge Black Pepper and Neon Amber. So yeah, again, lovely and festive, and it gives the guy in your life a little bit of luxury to try. I really am enjoying saying luxury in this video. Okay, next we have a Rituals gift set. I love Rituals, smells so good. One of their best sellers. So you get a shower foam, oh I love a shower foam, a shave cream, a hair and body wash, and a antiperspirant spray. Such a lovely little gift set. It's got everything you need in there. And again, it's beautifully packaged, and on the front, oh, this little quote, I just saw a bit of it and I was like, that sounds like a quote I'm gonna like. Today's little moments become tomorrow's precious memories. Okay, last but definitely not least for the lads, we have got a Bulldog skincare set. Jamie has Bulldog upstairs, he loves it. It's a really affordable but really great skincare brand. So inside of here you get the moisturiser, face wash and shave gel. Again, a selection of everything you need. And if the man in your life doesn't actually have like any form of skincare routine or use any skincare, because a lot of guys don't, I feel like you just really can't go wrong with Bulldog skincare. So yeah, really great value for money, and they're really big, like they're big products in there as well. So we have reached the end of the ultimate gift guide for him and her for under £25. Really hope you guys saw something you loved. Let me know in the comments down below your favourite gift. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of Look Fantastic's videos. Really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.